Can I? Now, permutation of digits leading to probability. But before we take an examples of one that will actually lead us to probability straight, let's talk about this, and so that it will be very easier for us. After this, you can take two that leads to probability, and that's all about the permutation of digits. Now, look at these examples on the board. They said, how many 4-digit number can be formed with digits 1 to 9? Now, if they ask us like that straight, that how many 4-digit number can be formed with the digits 1 to 9, we have no numbers. For me to be how to form 4 out of 9, that is 9 permutation 4 direct. But they give us some conditions here. They said repetitions are allowed. Repetitions are allowed. If I want to form 4 numbers out of 9, the first numbers I'm going to form is going to occupy the whole 9 places. The first number, if I'm forming 4 out of 9, the first number is going to occupy the whole 9 places. That is for number 1, that is 9 times. The second number, but they say repetitions are allowed. Repetitions are allowed. That means the second number also will occupy the whole 9 places since repetitions are allowed. The third number also will occupy the whole 9 places. And the fourth one also will occupy the whole 9 places because repetitions are allowed. So that is going to be 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. That is 6561. 6,561. Now, Roman figure 2. It said repetitions are not allowed. Since repetitions are not allowed, the first number is going to take 9. The second number is going to take 8 places. The third number is going to take 7. And the fourth number is going to take 6. Which is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. That is 3024. Or you can easily apply your formula. When they said repetitions are not allowed, you want to form 4 numbers out of 9. That's going to be 9 permutation 4. 9 permutation 4. And 9 permutation 4, that will be, according to our formula, 9 factorial all over 9 minus 4 factorial. That will be 9 factorial all over 5 factorial, which is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. You can stop here because we focus this all over 5 factorial. This one cancels this. So if you multiply it, you're going to have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. That is 3024. As you can see, they are the same thing. Because we are forming 9 out of, we are forming 4 numbers out of 9. That's going to be 9 permutation because all of that arrangement are to be considered. So that is 9 permutation 4. Now they said, Roman figure 3 now. The last digit must be even and repetitions are not allowed. Last digit. Now, if you look at number 3, Roman figure 3, we have 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 numbers. And they said the last digit must be even numbers. How many even numbers we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 even numbers. 4 times. And they said repetitions are not allowed. If there's a repetition are not allowed, let's say, since repetitions are not allowed, let's pick this 4 as the first one, which is going to occupy the whole 9 places. When repetition is not allowed, that 4 is going to occupy the whole 9 places. So the second number, don't forget we are forming 4 digits. So the second number is going to occupy how many places? That's 8 places, since repetition is not allowed. The third number is going to occupy the 7 places. And the fourth number is going to occupy the 6 places, since repetition is not allowed. So that is going to be 4 times 8 times 7 times 6. That's 1,344. That's all about the permutations leading to probability. Now let's take a look at some examples that actually talk about the drive us into probability. Now this one is going to drive us into probability straight. It said 3-digit numbers are formed from the digits 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. If repetition of digits is not allowed, and the number is picked as random, find the probability that it is a multiple of 5 or an odd number. So there are two things: multiple of 5 or an odd number. Or in probability actually means plus. Now, the repetition is not allowed. That all the numbers is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. That is a multiple of 5, and I'm going to form the 3 digits. 3 digits that is a multiple of 5. The first digit is the 5. You know, when we are picking the multiple of 5, you start from 5, and which is 1. I don't have anything that is a multiple of 5 again. So that is 1 times, because I'm going to form 3 digits. So this 1 will occupy how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to occupy the 5 places. So the second number I'm going to pick is going to occupy the 4 places. Don't forget that repetition is not allowed. Assuming repetition is allowed, so the second number I'm taking is going to be times 5, because it's going to occupy the whole 5 places again. So the third number is going to occupy the 3 places. Let me explain again. They said to find the probability that it is a multiple of 5, and all the numbers given to us is just 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So the only multiple of 5 I'm having here is 5, and after 5 there is no any multiple of 5 again. So, and how many numbers is a multiple of 5 like that? That's 1. That's this. And that 1 represents the first, because we are forming 3 digits. Out of the 3 digits I'm going to form, that 1 represents the first one. And that first one, which is 1, occupied the 5 places, which is this, which is that 1. So the second number I'm going to pick is going to occupy the 4 places. That is 4. The third number I'm going to pick is going to occupy the 3 places. That is 3. Assuming the repetition is allowed, that second number also will be 5 places. I'm going to write 5 here. That third number also is going to be 5. I'm going to write 5 places if repetition is allowed. But since repetition is not allowed, so that's going to be 1 times 4 times 3. Now, don't forget that they say that probability is all over total outcome. Now, all over. Now, don't forget, what will not be the denominator like that? The denominator is going to be 3 formed out of 5 numbers. That is 5 permutation 3. Like I told you, or in probability means plus. Or an odd number. Or an odd number. Now, look at all these numbers given to us. Which one are odd? 1, 2. We have just 2. That is 2 times. I'm forming 3 digits. So these 2 odd numbers, they represent the first digit to be formed. So the second digit is going to occupy how many places? 4. And the third digit is going to occupy 3 places. All over the total, again, the same total. That is 5 permutation 3. So 1 times 4, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now 5 permutation 3 is going to be what? 5 permutation 3 is 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 factorial all over 2 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial all over 2 factorial. These 2 factorial cancel 2 factorial. That is 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 3, that is 60. So 5 permutation 3 is 60. Plus 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 all over 60. So the LCM is going to be 60. And 16 is 61. 1 times 12, 12. 16 is 61. 1 times 24, that is 24. So we have 12 plus 24, that is 36 over 60. That is 6 here, 6 here, 10. That is 2 here, 3, 2 here, 5. So our answer is actually 3 all over 5. 3 all over 5. I believe you actually grab it. Okay, let's pick one more under the probability and we leave this subtopic as well. Now, permutation of digits leading to probability. 3-digit numbers are to be formed from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If repetition of digits is not allowed, how many numbers can be formed? How many numbers can be formed when 3 digits and repetition are not allowed? 3 digits. That means the first number is going to take the 9 places. The second number is going to take the 8 places. And the third number is going to take the 7 places. Because they said it's 3 digits. That is 9 times 8 times 7. That is 504. Or we can use formula. 3 digits to be taken from 9. How many numbers can be formed? That will be 9 permutation 3. So 9 permutation 3 is 9 factorial all over 9 minus 3 factorial. That is 9 factorial all over 6 factorial. 9 factorial is 9 times 7 times 6 factorial all over 6 factorial. 6 factorial times 6 factorial. That's 9 times 7. That is going to be 63. Now let's continue. This is supposed to be 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial all over 6 factorial. 6 factorial comes to 6 factorial. It's going to be 9, you know. It's going to be 9 times 8 times 7. 9 times 8 times 7, which is also going to be 504. Anyone you use as you can use formula or you can use direct like this. Now they say, what is the probability of forming the probability of forming a number divisible by 5? If you look at this, all these numbers, which one is divisible by 5? That is 5. But we don't have 10. It's only 5 that is divisible by 5. That is 1 number times. Don't forget that we are forming 3 digits. So if this one number represents the one that will take the places of 9, the second one is going to take the place of 8, and the third one is going to take the place of 7. And 1 times 8, 8 times 7, that is 56. All over, don't forget its probability, all over total. Total is going to be 504. Because total is going to be 9 permutation 3, which is also 504. So we now reduce it to the lowest times. 2 here, 2, number 1. 2 in 16, that is 8. 2 in 5, 2, number 1. 2 in 10, 5. 2 in 4, 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 4. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2, number 1. 2 in 12, 6. 2 here, 7. 2 here, 6. And 2 here, 3. 7 here, 1. 763, 9. That's 1 over 9. That's that about the permutation of digits leading to probability.